Landfills, what they're selling is airspace. So anytime you condense the stuff that's coming in, you're saving all your airspace, which is prolonging your life of your landfill.
My name is Karen Engel. I'm the Executive Director of Southern Oklahoma Regional Disposal Landfill. We get anywhere from 600 to 1,200 tons a day. We have couches, we have C&D, we have just household trash, we have industrial trash. So a little bit of mixture of everything. We had a bunch of challenges keeping our compactors running. Landfills are not easy on any equipment at all. We would have compactors go down at the same time, and we would have dozers and we would have them doing the compaction for us. My sales rep, Kobe, he came by and he presented us with, hey, we're doing this demo tour. We want to show you what it does. We want to bring it to your landfill and let everybody look at it.
We did that demo with Vermeer, and we kind of fed everything to it just to see what it would do.
Giant logs, rolls of shingles. It kept eating and eating and eating, and the landfill got smaller and smaller. The LS3600 just keeps it all down.
I watched it all day long out here, just amazed at how much difference it made. We actually did a test where we had shredded the trash, and then we compacted where we did not shred the trash, and the difference was huge.
It really impressed us on everything that it did. I mean, it done just about every bit of our waste.
The remote feature is important for this machine, so the operator can raise and lower the discharge belt so he can drive away, pick up loads, come back, and still be efficient and productive with the machine. The importance of succeeding for SORD is also succeeding for Vermeer. It's making sure that they're comfortable with the equipment. It's going to sustain the life of the workface as well. The 5 years that they've required for this machine, make sure it's up and running. It's gonna stand the test of time like the other Vermeer machines have.
In the long run, a return on investment is going to be seen by reducing our space and increasing our cell life. I would highly personally recommend the 3600 shredder. I've seen what it does. I mean, it's handled everything really well.
If you can afford it, do it. I mean, it saves it in the long run because, like I say, the airspace is where it's at.
The more airspace we save, the longer we can stay in operation. And the 3600 is definitely an asset to help that space.